It was an up day for stocks. Buyers coming into the market. Courtney Donohoe breaks down the gains from the New York Stock Exchange. Courtney?
Well, Pim, a turnaround in trading. Stocks coming back in the afternoon with the Dow jumping 75 points. A gain in oil and copper giving a bump to commodity stocks. And the Homebuilders jumping after building permits gained for the first time since March, and that was more than expected. Plus, some investors believing Ben Bernanke may announce plans to stimulate the economy. Fed chairman scheduled to begin his two-day semi-annual congressional testimony on monetary policy tomorrow. Financials recovered on that chatter after an earlier drop. And one of the reasons for the earlier drop, Goldman Sachs saying second quarter profit dropping 82%, missing estimates. Banking giants saying the market environment became more difficult during the second quarter, and as a result, client activity across businesses declined. But Goldman managed to steadily gain throughout the session. But Goldman wasn't the only disappointing earnings report. Texas Instruments, IBM reporting revenue that fell short of expectations, and Johnson & Johnson lowering its full-year earnings forecast because of the recent series of medicine recalls. And speaking of earnings, got a few major reports after the bell. First up, Yahoo. EPS coming in ahead of estimates at 15 cents a share, but sales missing analyst estimates at $1.13 billion. Stock falling in the after hours. Now, Yahoo is in the midst of a turnaround, and management's mandate is to reverse the sales growth slowdown. The company is definitely trying to slow down, stand out from the competition, which includes Google, also social networking sites like Facebook. And finally, Apple earnings crushing expectations, jumping in the after hours, 78% jump in third quarter profit, and these results showing the impact of the iPad, which was released on April 3rd. 3.27 million were sold, and the period also includes 3 days of sales from the iPhone 4, and sales of that phone broke records even with reception problems from the antenna. Pim?
Thank you very much. Courtney Donohoe reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.